Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm Premium. I just got here in the mail. I literally just got it from the mail carrier. I am so happy, so excited that I also want to share some of my happiness and joy with all of you. So I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this video. There will be 2 winners. I'll go over all the rules and everything like that at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started and see what's inside of my Boxycharm Premium. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. This in particular box, I do believe costs, they just upped the price of it. I think it's $39.99. It used to be $35. Anyways, not much of a big difference I didn't notice in the price. So at least it wasn't like $20 more or something like that. The first thing I'm pulling out is laying right on top, so I can't help it, is, of course, the Mercury Retrograde Huda palette, and it's absolutely stunning. I love the holographic look. Super cute. I love the packaging. Let's go ahead and get this open so we can see what this looks like in person, because it's always different. I have seen this on videos, but I haven't been able to see this palette myself in person yet, so I'm super excited about that. And I love how it's in a plastic case and not cardboard. I'm okay with cardboard packaging, it's just not my favorite. So let's open this. And it's intact. I was so worried because I have the worst luck with getting packages that are broken. But this is the palette. It almost has like a mirror-like effect to it down where the pans are, so it's kind of hard to see. But we have shades called Cosmic, Nebula, Mercury, Haze, Supermoon, Gold Glitch. I'm just so excited. Okay, let's get some swatches of this and see how she performs. I'm definitely going right in with this ultraviolet. I love the way that it looks. And it is really pretty. It definitely looks like a shade that you can build. Then let's go with Nebula. Okay. Really pretty so far. And then I want to try Supernova. The formulas are different in here depending on which shade that you choose. So that one felt absolutely amazing on my finger and when I swatched it, that Supernova. Let's get a couple mattes in here. What about Haze? That's a blue one. Let's see what that one looks like. Okay. And let's do one more. I'm going to try Hot Mess. Okay. I mean, definitely some of them will look like you could build the coverage on that, but I'm okay with that. Sometimes you don't always want to go in with a whole bunch of color if you want to blend it out and stuff, so that's cool. There's something wet in here, and I'm not really sure what it is yet, but I'm sure we'll get to that in just a moment. But it can't be perfect all the time. I'm not really upset. As long as there's still product in there for me to try to see if I like it, that's all right with me. So, let's see. This next product is Moonlight Primed for the Night Eyeshadow Primer. So I feel like this is something you can never have too much of, especially if you wear makeup every day like myself. My 2-year-old in the background there. But this is what the packaging looks like. I like it, so elegant. It has like little flowers and stuff on it. Really elegant. Almost reminds me of like the Asian culture. Oh, and it has lotus flowers on there too. Screaming that to me. It's like a matte packaging. Super cute. We can go ahead and open this because I'm sure I'll get to this pretty soon. It has like a doe foot applicator on there. And I'm having a little bit of a crazy bad hair day, so please excuse my hair today. And I'm getting so ahead of myself. Where is my card? Did I get a card? That's really weird. Normally every month you get a card with your products. But mine seems to be missing a card this month. Maybe they just forgot to throw mine in. I'm really apologize for that because now I can't say like any prices or anything like that. So normally I always put the prices and everything. So if you're new to this channel or thinking about subscribing, Don't worry, normally I always put it with my videos. I'm just not going to do it this in particular time. I can tell you about this Retrograde palette. It is on sale at Sephora and also at hudabeauty.com. So if for some reason you want this palette and you weren't able to get it, you can pick it up for $33 at Sephora or Ulta. Sephora or Huda Beauty. So just so that you all know that. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, this is Bad ASSMF. I don't really want to say that. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that on camera, but it's from the company Uma Beauty, and it's a matte filler lip liner. So that tells me that you should be able to fill in your lips with this as well and not just line it. So hopefully it's a creamier like consistency. There we are with that woody smell again. I'm not a huge fan of the woody lip liners, but I already have lip product on. It looks like a nice neutral, like a pinky brown color. So, I mean, it's not bad. I really like it. It's something that I have a lot of lip products for, but I also have a lot of lip liners. This is in shade Angelo. So, I mean, I'm okay with it, but a single lip liner in a premium box, it could have been better, but you know what? I'm happy to receive it anyways because it's something that I will use. So, next up is, this doesn't seem like what's causing the wetness, so this is not open. That's good. It's from Vike, and it's a makeup melt. Okay, gentle oil-free makeup remover spray. I think I've seen this on other people's channels. You're just supposed to spray it and it's supposed to melt away your makeup or help get the makeup off at the end of the day. It's a gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare actives. With skincare actives, clean and nourish. And this is actually, this is pretty big. I got big hands, but this is a pretty generous sized portion that they sent. So I'm happy to get that. And I think I found the culprit in here. Yes. Okay, so this has product. Okay, it smells really nice, which is good. And there still seems to be a decent amount in the bottle. So I'm okay, like sometimes when stuff spills, it just happens. But, you know, what can you do? I'm okay with it. This is from Christophe Robin Paris. And it's a leave-in mist. I just got last month from Allure, from this brand, a leave-in cream. So I'm really happy to have another kind of leave-in treatment because that's something that I actually use. I don't use like a lot of hairsprays or anything like that, but I do use leave-in treatments, shampoo, conditioner, you know, like the norm. So I think this is kind of cool they put this in here. This is a pretty expensive high-end makeup or hair company. And last but not least is my other choice item. Honestly, this has stuff all over it, but that's okay. This is from Dime Beauty, and it's an eyelash boost serum. And I honestly picked this due to lack of options, you know, because the first options were like so amazing with the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and then we had the Huda Beauty palette. So, you know, when you can expect very much for the second set of selections there, but overall I think I got a really good box. I'm super happy with it. A good variety. The only thing I wish that I have that I don't, I mean, you could kind of count this as skincare. I kind of would have liked like a nice mask or some kind of facial treatment because I love skincare stuff. So, but I mean, other than that, I really did enjoy this box. I think it's really good this month. A nice variety of things, if you will. Okay, so I know you all have been anxiously waiting, and here I am to announce it, my February giveaway. It's going to have 2 bags here, 2 possible winners, and I'm just going to go over everything in the bags real quick, and then we'll talk about the rules and stuff. Okay, this is the first bag, and I just put them in like old Ipsy bags that I have laying around, and I try to put a good mixture of stuff in here. I got this Dulce Posh Powder Palette. So for those of you who haven't seen this, I'll go ahead and take it out and just show it real quick. Unless I have too much trouble getting it out. which sometimes I do, but so everyone can get an idea of what this looks like. Okay, so we have really nice, elegant packaging. This is a really good brand, and I actually have this palette. That's why I'm giving it. I have a duplicate of it. So the top row are highlighters, and then the bottom row is blushes. So I got this packaged in here pretty well, I think. I'm hoping it gets to everyone safely, but I will be putting insurance on the packages just in case, because like we were just talking with my box, you never know. So here is that, the first item in there, a little palette, super cute. Then I have from Amuse Cosmetics, and then I have a pore purifying tea tree clay mask from BioRace. This is just like a deluxe size sample, but it's kind of fun to be able to try to see if you like different kinds of face mask or skincare. I threw in a couple of these little face masks. It's like chocolate. It smells like chocolate, but it's to purify your skin. You kind of like mix it yourself with some water. It's kind of fun. I put 2 in there in case you want to do it with a friend. Okay, and then we have from Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum, another deluxe size sample. Then I have Black Volume Cream Water Capping System. This is supposed to help elasticity and plumping, nourishing, or deeply hydrating the skin for a youthful glow. So I wonder if that's any good. And then we have this one. I accidentally ripped the top of the box, but I assure you it is brand new. I have a duplicate of this. This is the East 29th Serum. It has hyaluronic acid in it, lemon rind extracts, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And wow, I did put a lot of stuff in here. I didn't realize. Okay. Then I have a sheet mask in here. I think those are fun to have. We got a lip gloss in here from the company LCB. It's just like a clear gloss with like glitters in it. I have this concealer stick. This highlighter and concealer dual stick. And also, last but not least, this little cute little Pixie by Petra little baby quad for throwing in your purse. So, duo that you can have to throw in your purse. So that is in the first bag. Pretty decent. We got some makeup. We got some skincare in there. I think it's fun. And this is just to show everyone how much I appreciate you and for, you know, giving me your time of day to watch me, to be subscribed to me, all that good stuff. And the next one I put in this bag here, and this one has a Lightning Wand Dark Spot Correcting Serum. This one has the palettes and a serum in here. I put in here. But this is from Medusa's Makeup. It's an Afterglow Facial Serum. It has grapeseed oil and pink grapefruit oil in there. I just have so many serums and stuff. I figured somebody else could try and enjoy this because I actually do sell Medusa's Makeup. I mean, if you put in my code, you get a discount, and also I get a little bit from that as well. We have the Bomb and the Beautiful Episode 1 Eyeshadow Palette here. And I actually have one of these. That's the only reason why I'm giving away. These are duplicates of what I already own. But we have like a little flap down here that you got to open. And then here's the palette. They normally don't typically put mirrors in their palette, which, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of. But the eyeshadows themselves, they work pretty decent. It's a good eyeshadow palette, in my opinion, for like an everyday look. Okay, and then also this one has a sheet mask in it as well. And also 2 of those chocolate masks for you and a friend, or both for you if you want. I have this Orza Beauty South Beach Ombre Blusher. Super cute. I don't want to actually open it because it's still sealed from there, but it has, this is like the pigment on the back here. It's a really cute little blusher. I also have this already. And then we have a depuffing and tightening eye cream. I don't really need this because I don't really have issues with depuffing at all, but I'm sure there's lots of people out there that could really use and enjoy that. Then we have a pore tightening clay mask from BioRace. I do believe I had this one in the other bag as well. And then I know this looks squeezed, but I assure you it is sealed. All of this stuff is brand new. This is an olive oil face mask and it's deep cleansing. And then I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in here. So that is, and I may throw in a couple extra things before I go to send it out. Sometimes I do that. And sometimes I even decide, hey, you know, I'm going to pick a third person to give a prize to. And I also do that as well. For the rules of this giveaway is you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to like this video, and you have to leave a comment with the word Valentine. So you can say like, oh, happy Valentine's Day or something. Just kind of like put it in there so no one really knows just by looking at the video and just goes ahead and types the answer. I want it to be fair for everyone who actually watched my whole videos. And good luck to all the winners. So we're going to be doing this giveaway until, let's say the 20th. It's going to be open until the 20th of February 2022. At that point, I will announce the winners and then we'll give you 48 hours to respond back to me. So just know that this giveaway is going to be open a little bit longer just to give everyone a chance. Because I know some of my subscribers had said they had issues with my notifications on my new videos. So I just want to make sure it's fair and everybody gets a chance to watch this video. That's everything I had for you for this in particular video. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.